Hey everyone, Mike here from ExcelDistanceCalculators.com. I appreciate all of you who've been with us on this journey. And if you're new here, you're in for something great. We've got some incredibly useful tools that can simplify your workflow and make your tasks much more efficient. Today, we're excited to introduce our straight line postcode distance calculator, a simple yet powerful tool designed to calculate straight line distances between postcodes in just a few clicks. Whether you're in logistics, delivery planning, or just need to measure distances between multiple locations quickly, this tool is going to be a game changer. Everything runs directly within Excel, so there's no software to install. Just download, open, and start calculating. Let me show you how the tool works. Once you download the tool from the link in the description below, you'll open the Excel file and simply paste in your list of postcodes. Then, all you have to do is click the Calculate button, and within seconds, the tool will populate all the distances automatically. It's incredibly efficient, especially for businesses that need to estimate travel distances for logistics, deliveries, or service areas. Because it provides straight line distances rather than driving distances, it's perfect for quick calculations where you need an approximate measure without the complexity of road networks. We've been building Excel tools for over 16 years, focusing on making them simple, reliable, and useful for businesses. With over 7,500 happy customers and more than 120 5-star reviews on Google, we hear from our users all the time about how much time and effort our tools have saved them. Whether it's reducing manual calculations, streamlining operations, or helping with quick decision-making, these tools are designed to make your life easier. If you need any modifications or have specific requirements, don't hesitate to reach out. We're always happy to tweak our tools to fit your exact needs. Here's our phone number. Here's our email. When you call, you'll be speaking directly with Vinny, the brain behind Excel Distance Calculators. You can also chat with him directly through our website. To get started, just click the link below to download the Straight Line Postcode Distance Calculator. Also, check out our website at ExcelDistanceCalculators.com for more tools designed to simplify logistics and distance planning. And please don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest tools. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy calculating.